Welcome to Smart Online Income. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to connect OKX Wallet on BNB. This is one of Memefi tasks, so we are going to perform the task. Meanwhile, Memefi has directed us to use a VPN to do the task, since in some countries OKX is not longer operating. So if you are opening it without VPN, it will not open. So OKX web link cannot open, or wallet cannot open without a VPN. So we are going to demonstrate this task with VPN. So let me go to VPN and on it. I'm using VPN, this free VPN. So you on it. When on, then if you want to select any country, just click here, the road auto, you click any country, but I'm not selecting a country. It's going to work without me selecting any country. So we go to OKX to set up the process. So let's wait for it to open. Now we are using OKX Wallet, not exchange. So you click the wallet at the up here. You click the wallet here. So we click it. Okay. Good. So go to this place. Switch to BNB Smart Chain. So we'll click there, click it to open. So we search BNB. This is BNB Smart Chain. Now that we have set it up, let's go to Memefi to perform the task. Okay, it is okay. Let's open it again. Just wait for it to open, because sometimes it's just a switch off. So it's back. So we are going to click this okay, you are going to click this place. Well, click it. This first task, click connect OKX. Now connect to OKX app, connect to OKX mini wallet. We connect to the app, because by now you should have downloaded the wallet from Play Store. So connect wallet, click connect wallet. It's saying connected. Okay, let's see again. Transaction cancel. Why? Let's try it again. Okay, let's perform it again. Input your password. I'm using my fingerprint. Okay, you can see it's connected. We have two Memefi here. The first one was for the first task, and this one is for the second task. So let's go to Memefi to confirm if it has really connected. Okay, so if this is the first time of coming across my channel, subscribe and click the notification bell, so that you receive a notification whenever I make new videos. Also, like and share this video for others to see. So let's click again to see if okay, it is connected. We can see now it is marked good with green. So this is how easy to perform this task. Also, you can watch my playlist. Click any of the video there and watch them. You can also see other tasks on Memefi which I have made video on. So follow this step here and you will get it right.